how's it going? My name is Auntie TC for those who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining the review. Today's week that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre. So go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I give you my 2% of whether you should pick this wig up. Let's go.
Complain, but life is a little hard, and I just wanna get away. Rather bend it over on a beach up in Italy. So if you are a fan of me, go sing this in a canopy. And if I change my mind, hit the road signs and never coming back. Just hope my family proud of me. Got
So now you've watched me install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about the specs of the unit. The unit that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre in the style Neesha 210. I have the unit in the color DR Ginger Brown. The unit is 20 inches, does have natural texture and volume, is pre-plucked with HD lace, is heat safe up to 400 degrees, does come with 3 combs as well as adjustable straps, and I do believe the unit is a middle part. So yeah, it is a middle part. Okay, let me explain. Well, you should know by watching me install the unit. So this is what the unit looks like in its original state, and this is how I style mine. The unit is beginner friendly, very beginner friendly. If you just want to do this, I think it's easy to achieve. You cut the lace off, and you don't even have to tint the lace because the lace is pretty. The color of the lace looks very, very natural for most skin tones, so that one I will definitely give them. It is 20 inches, so it's a bit long for me, and it's very, very full and dense. So just be mindful when you're picking this unit up, it might be full. If you're not used to a unit like that, it may be just a little struggle. So just go ahead and get a brush and brush the ends, and you should be good. It does have some flyaways, but I think that's because I styled it differently than it came, so that's my fault for causing the flyaways. But other than that, I think it's a great unit. It is beginner friendly. It is beginner friendly if you want to if you want it to look just like this. It hasn't tangled, but it may. I think it may have the potential to tangle. I can't remember last time I reviewed a Neesha nothing, so I don't remember. So probably check out somebody else's reviews to see if the Neeshas typically tangle. I don't know. I think it may have the potential to tangle at the nape area, but don't hold me to it. The texture is yaki, definitely here for the yaki, and it is heat safe. It says up to 400 degrees, but be mindful if you do add too much heat, it may change the texture of the unit. I don't know. I think that's all I have for the unit. Beginner friendly, flyaways, no shedding, but has the potential to tangle, and yeah, that's about it. Would I recommend this unit? If you want to try one of the Neeshas, or you don't have a Neesha, yes. If you already have a Neesha, no. Shop your stash and find you a Neesha. You do not need this unit if you already have one that looks similar. Unless if you want to try one of the newer colors, which I don't know if the newer colors come in this style, so you'll have to check it out. But this is how I style mine. You guys, show you the back. So yeah, I did the half up, half down, and I swooped mine to the right. It is a great unit if you do want to get it. I will leave a link down in the description for your convenience to shop. But again, like I said, you do not necessarily need this unit if you have one that looks similar. Oh yeah, the makeup. I did a review on the makeup. I will leave a link down in the comment section. I will leave a link down in the description for your convenience to check out the makeup. So don't forget to check it out and let me know what you thought. And I'll go ahead and continue doing it until you guys tell me otherwise. What do you think about how I styled Neesha? Again, this is how she came, and this is how she's supposed to look, and this is how I styled mine. So let me know down in the comments what you thought. Should I have kept her this way, or do you like how I styled mine? Go ahead and let me know down in the comments. So if you got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and I'll see you the next week. Bye guys.